Now, the dough always likes to shrink back. So what you can do is just take your pin and roll out the unbuttered flap just a little bit. So perfect. The butter is covering 2/3 of the dough. And this is called the 2/3 method incorporation. There are many ways to get the butter inside a laminated dough, at least 6 that I can think of right off the top of my head. But traditionally for Danish, this 2/3 coverage of butter is what's done. Now, what we're going to do to control any butter leaking out is we're going to take this top border, it's about a 1/2 inch of dough, and I'm going to have you fold it over your butter block. This is a new technique I've adopted, and it saves a world of hurt when that butter begins to warm up. All right, so we have our little flap folded over, and now you always start with the unbuttered side first. So pick that up, and we're going to fold this just like a business letter. We're going to fold it in 3rds, and I'm going to seal the edges. Pinch, pinch, pinch on the top. Pinch, pinch, pinch on the bottom. You might have to flatten it out a little bit. That looks great. And then we're going to take our buttered side and fold it over. Great. And give this a little pinch. And a pinch on the bottom. Pinching helps the dough not shift as we're rolling and turning it. Okay, great. You don't have to get a super tight seal, but that's good.